There's nothing wrong with filling your sketchbook with random stuff. It sharpens your skills and scratches that itch we artists have. I just want to throw something out there for those looking to improve some of their specific weaknesses. It's called iteration and analyzation. Iteration is simply the repetition of something. On a page, start your drawing with things you want to improve. Don't get all wigged out that it has to be perfect. Just draw. When you finish, take a moment to analyze it. Now draw it again right next to the first one, using whatever you've observed to draw it maybe a little better. Then stop, analyze that one compared to the first. Draw a third next to the second. Analyze all three. Use it to draw a fourth. Analyze again. Then do a fifth. Analyze, compare, contrast with the others. Keep doing this until you've done 20. Now you could just go through the motions of drawing something 20 times, but if you want to add rocket fuel to your improvement, you have to add the analyzation part. What you're doing is stimulating the intuitive part of your brain by using the analytical part of your brain, and it's going to lock it into your muscle memory. It's worth a try.